Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you my cleansing weight loss green vegetable salad recipe I consume whenever I want to shred some pounds calories. Like I've when I gain a lot of weight, this is what I consume to like lose that weight back fast. So in order to come up with my cleansing weight loss green salad, the first ingredient I use is my cabbage. So if you know cabbage so well, it is very good at cleansing and helping you shred some weight, lose some calories. Like this is the fastest way to lose weight. If you want to like lose weight so fast, you want to incorporate cabbage in your salad, make cabbage soup. But for today, I will be sharing with you my weight loss salad recipe that I add in some cabbage to help me like burn down fats, and this is so effective. So I'll be using like a handful of salad. You just need of cabbage. You just need to get your cabbage, slice into the shapes or sizes you want, and what you need is just like a handful. So I'm just taking in little portions, but if you grab it, it will be a handful of cabbage to come up with the salad. So what you want to do is you want to wash your cabbage thoroughly, and I'll be using vinegar to wash it. So you want to pour in water in your bowl and add in some vinegar. So you want to add in the vinegar and take your time to really like wash up the cabbage like you see me doing. You don't want to give you a lot of like running stomach, because this will help to run your stomach so you can easily flush out that bad fats or excess foods causing belly fat, weight gain and the rest. So you want to really wash your cabbage so it doesn't really run you a lot. So after washing, I'll just leave it for like 10 minutes before I rinse the vinegar off the cabbage, and I'll be proceeding to the second green ingredient, which will be cucumbers. So cucumbers as well are very good if you're looking to lose weight and stay in shape. They support your system to detox and flush out toxins, waste out of your system, slowing down your metabolism, making you gain a lot of weight. It will hydrate your system, so it can have that stamina to flush out waste out of your system. Like this is so good if you're looking to shred some weight. Add cucumbers in your salad. So my cucumbers look a little bit weird because they were frost bitten. I left them in the refrigerator for some time, so they are frost bitten. So you want to slice half a cucumber. So this is an English cucumber. I'm slicing half a cucumber in here. You slice into tiny little sizes. Like I'm just going for the square shapes. Like depending on the size you want, you can slice according to your desired shape, but what we need is half a cucumber. So I'll rinse out the vinegar from the cabbage, and this is how it looks like. You want to thoroughly wash your cabbage just the way you saw me doing, and these are the first two green ingredients. The third or the next green leafy vegetable I'll be adding in here, if you notice I use a lot of greens. They are so very good at cleansing and helping you lose weight. So you can use either lettuce or you use romaine. So any of them will go here so well. You just need to slice into some tiny little shapes that you like. Green leafy vegetables are very good at cleansing and supporting the system to burn fats and shred some calories. They are very good. Salads are so good, most especially green leafy salads are very good when you're looking to shred some weight, as they contain less calories and help you lose weight. So you want to wash this lettuce or romaine, whichever you're using. You want to wash it thoroughly with your vinegar and water or baking soda and water, and this is it. So make sure to always clean them. The next ingredient I'll be adding in here will be tomatoes. So tomatoes too are very good at cleansing, washing up your system, giving you that fresh healthy glow from the inside. Like tomatoes are so good, and what I'll be needing here will be half a large tomato. So if your tomato is not as large as mine, you can use one full tomato, but mine is really large, so I'll be using just half because it's just a serving. So that is it. The next thing I'll be adding is onion. Onion is very good at helping you break down fats as well. Very good if you're looking to cleanse and lose weight. Add onion in your salad. Very good at cleansing bacteria in your system, like cleansing you up so you can be clean and your organs are active to help you burn fat so fast. So you want to get half an onion, and slice into sizes that you really like, your shapes that you like. The next vegetable I'll be adding in my salad or fruit or whatever will be avocado. So avocados are very healthy fats. These healthy fats help to fuel your system with energy to enable you burn down bad fats in your system. And I'll be using one avocado, or you can use half an avocado, but I really love a lot of avocado, most especially for energy, so you don't feel hungry, you don't feel so weak. It will give you energy and help you burn down fat. So you want to get your avocado and slice into the shapes you want. My camera went off, so you couldn't see how I was slicing them, but that is still fine. And now to the making of my salad dressing. So you don't want those creamy kind of salad dressings that are fattening. You want to make yours that is fat burning, and adding in some lemons in your salad dressing is very good as at enabling you lose or shred some weight as well. So I'll be using 4 teaspoons, which is equal to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So you want to squeeze 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and put in your cup where you will mix up your salad dressing. So yeah, I had some seeds in there I have to take out. You don't want to eat those seeds as they can be so bitter and needless for your cream. So yeah, so this is it. The next thing you want to do now is add in a teaspoon of black pepper, add in a little bit pinch of salt, and that is it. You want to add in some olive oil now to this, so it acts like your creamy kind of dressing. Like this is the combination, it is so good. You want to mix up your cream so well, mix, and this is your cream. Trust me, it tastes so good, you will not believe. So you want to start putting your ingredients in your tray or your plate. So this is my tomato, onion, lettuce, cucumber, avocado, and cabbage, and this is my cream. You just pour your cream on top of your vegetables and mix, and you're good to go. This is so healthy and helps you burn down fats while keeping you full, so you don't feel hungry, but with less calories, and made with mostly vegetables that help you shred down and burn down fat. So if you're looking to lose some weight, shred down some fats, try this recipe for like 3 days, and trust me, you will see that weight going down. Like whenever because we are all human, there are times you fall into that temptation of eating too much and you need to get back to shape so fast. This is the kind of fast kind of things you can do, recipes you can come up with to help you shred down that weight so fast. Like this is for fast weight loss. So yeah, this is it. This is my recipe I wanted to share with you. Share with your family and friends, whoever is struggling with weight. You can always burn down and shred down that weight if you know the right things to consume to help you burn down that weight. So yeah, thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.